Liberal democracy, a powerful model. Liberal democracy is a system of government characterized by free and fair elections, protection of individual rights and freedoms, and the rule of law and a pluralistic society. This model has proven to be a powerful force for good in the world. Its strengths include protection of individual rights. Liberal democracies place a high value in individual liberty, including freedom of speech, religion, association, and the press. These rights are enshrined in constitutions and protected by independent judiciaries. Political representation and accountability. Citizens in liberal democracies have the right to choose their leaders through free and fair elections. This ensures that governments are accountable to the people and can be removed from power if they fail to uphold their promise or violate the rights of citizens. Rule of law. In a liberal democracy, the law applies equally to everyone, including those in power. This helps to prevent abuse of power and ensures that everyone is treated fairly. Pluralism and diversity. Liberal democracies embrace diversity of thought, belief, and lifestyle. They encourage the free exchange of ideas and allow for a variety of political parties and interest groups to compete for power. Economic prosperity. While not all liberal democracies are wealthy, there is a strong correlation between liberal democracy and economic development. This is due in part to the fact that liberal democracies tend to have a stable political system, predictable legal frameworks, and open markets, all of which are conducive to economic growth. Challenges to liberal democracy. Despite its many strengths, liberal democracy is not without its weaknesses. It faces several challenges that threaten its stability and effectiveness. Inequality. While liberal democracies promote equality in principle, they often struggle to achieve it in practice. Economic inequality can undermine social cohesion and political stability. Political polarization. The rise of social media and partisan news outlets has fueled political polarization in many liberal democracies, making it difficult to find common ground and reach consensus on important issues. Erosion of trust in institutions. Public trust in institutions like the media, government, and judiciary has declined in recent years. This can undermine the legitimacy of democratic processes and make it harder to address societal challenges. Rise of populism and authoritarianism. Populist and authoritarian movements have gained traction in some liberal democracies, challenging the core principles of pluralism, tolerance, and the rule of law. Challenges of globalization. Globalization has brought about new challenges for liberal democracies, such as increased economic competition, cross-border migration, and the spread of misinformation. The future of liberal democracy. The future of liberal democracy is uncertain. It faces serious challenges that require careful attention and innovative solutions. To remain viable, liberal democracies must address issues like inequality, political polarization, and the erosion of trust in institutions. They must also adapt to the changing global landscape and find ways to uphold their core values in the face of new threats. The success of liberal democracy is not guaranteed. It depends on the active participation of citizens, the vigilance of civil society, and the commitment of leaders to uphold its core principles. It's a constant work in progress, but it's a system worth fighting for.